Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Honor 9X. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take a look at the fingerprint ID gestures. So let's go through each and every one. Okay, so I'm going to go to security and privacy, fingerprint ID. Okay, so here you have these different gestures. So the first one here is touch and hold to take a photo or video. So from the viewfinder screen, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to take a photo or video. So let me just turn this on and then go to the viewfinder. Okay, so I'm going to touch and hold the fingerprint reader here on the back to take a photograph. Bam. As you can see there, it's taken the photograph and the photograph has saved to the gallery. Okay, so let's select video. And if you do the same, touch and hold on the fingerprint sensor there on the back, it should then start to video record. And as you can see, the recording has started. And if you press on it again and hold it for a few seconds, the video recording stops. And once again, it saves to the gallery where you can view it. Okay, so let's check out the other gestures. So answer call, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to answer a call. So let's turn that on. Let me just get my landline phone. Okay, so I've got my landline phone. Let me just dial the number. Okay, so let me just touch the fingerprint reader to answer the call. Yo, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, so that's working fine. Okay, let's have a look at the next gesture. Okay, stop alarm. When an alarm goes off, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to stop the alarm. All right, I'm going to skip this one because I don't really have time to set up the alarm right now. Okay, so the next one is slide to show notification panel. Slide down on the fingerprint sensor to show the notification panel. Double touch to clear the panel and slide up to close it. Okay, so let's try this. So slide down on the fingerprint sensor to show the notification. Okay, so I've got a notification up here. Swipe down to view it. So it's a missed call. Swipe up again to hide it. Swipe down to bring it back down and double tap to clear it. So as you can see, it's now disappeared from the notification panel there. And let me just turn the device to the side to give you all a good view that I am swiping down. So swipe down and swipe up, swipe down, swipe up, swipe down, swipe up. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. Okay, so the next one is browse photos. So when browsing photos, swipe left or right on the fingerprint sensor to switch to the previous or the next photo. So let's give this a try. I think I might need to take a few more photographs. Okay, so let me just take a few pictures first. I don't think I've got any in my gallery. Okay, so let's try this. So let's go into photographs. So let's swipe left or right to view the photographs. So now I'm swiping right. Give you all a good angle there. Okay, so that's a really cool feature as well, I must say. Let me just go back into the security and privacy, fingerprint ID. Okay, so the above gestures can be performed with any finger. You do not need the fingerprint setup for this to work. As you can see, I don't have my fingerprint lock screen set up. As you can see there, so you don't need to set up your fingerprint lock screen for this to actually work. You can just go ahead and start using it. All you have to do is just enable everything within the settings. So go to security and privacy, fingerprint ID, and just turn all of these on. So yeah, let me know what you think of the fingerprint ID gestures. If you have it on an iNext, do you use these? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.